Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our second chapter, that's food, health and hygiene. Okay. So before knowing about this chapter, we must know that what's food. Food is that thing that we need to grow healthy and stay. Sorry, food is that thing that we need to grow and also to keep ourselves healthy. ठीक है. So now is the role of food, how we keep ourselves healthy and how we keep ourselves hygienic. Okay, clean. Healthy means our body should be well-being, that's healthy. Okay. So how, what type of food we should eat, what type of things we should do to keep ourselves clean. So before for that we will read about health. Okay. So dear students, if you have a poor eating habits. Poor eating habits means if you are not eating regularly food, if you are eating less food. ओके अगर आप कम खाना खाते हैं या आप रेगुलरली खाना नहीं खाते हैं या आपको न्यूट्रिशियस फूड नहीं मिलता है जिसमें सारी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हो, सो यू विल नॉट बी हेल्दी, आप हेल्दी नहीं रह सकते. इसीलिए फॉर दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी शुड ईट अ प्रॉपर डाइट. वी शुड ईट अ प्रॉपर डाइट फॉर by which we will keep ourselves healthy. Okay. Here we should not eat, we are eating junk foods that are unhealthy for us. We should eat fruits, vegetables to keep ourselves healthy. So now what is the proper definition of health? Health means that whenever a human being is well in all respects. In all respects means when he is mentally fit as well as physically fit. That's called health. That's called health. So for to keep ourselves healthy, what should we do? We should eat healthy food. We should eat proper diet. We should exercise daily. We should not keep ourselves these हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, जैसे प्रॉपर हाइजीन हमें करना, प्रॉपर हाइजीनिक रहना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स वी शुड कीप आवरसेल्व्स क्लीन. वी शुड डू रेस्ट आफ्टर वी वर्क. वी शुड डू रेस्ट. जब हम काम करेंगे उसके बाद हमें ये रेस्ट ज़रूरी करना चाहिए. ओके. Here is one term as well, that's we need correct posture. Do you know what does that mean? It means that we should remain stand correctly. हमें अपने आप को, अपनी बॉडी को, मतलब अगर आप बैठे हैं तो खुद को वैसे नहीं बैठाओ जैसे हम वो बूढ़े लगें. हमें करेक्टली पोस्चर करना चाहिए, मतलब स्टैंड, ये अपने आप को कर्व नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है. इरेक्ट रहना चाहिए, खड़ा रहना चाहिए. So now is the food for health. Food for health. We eat food for growth and to keep ourselves healthy. हम इसलिए फूड खाते हैं जिससे हमारी बॉडी जो है हेल्दी रहे और हमारी बॉडी ग्रो हो जाए. So the food that we eat composes of is made up of very essential nutrients. That is made up of some essential nutrients, and that food in which these nutrients are present, or we can say the components that are present in the food that keep us healthy, that helps us, that gives us energy, growth, and these are called nutrients. Okay. These nutrients are very helpful for our body because they give us energy, they keep our body growing, they help us in fighting diseases, they help in digesting the food. Okay. So the 5 essential nutrients that are present in the food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so here is the short form how you can keep these nutrients in your mind. That is cool people from vegetable market. First, cool has C first, that's carbohydrates. People has P first, that's proteins. From has first F, that's fats. Vegetables has first V, that's vitamins. And M this market has M first, that's minerals. Okay, so this was about the food, how we keep ourselves healthy, what are the components of the food. Okay, so now is the important functions of various nutrients and their main sources. Okay, first is carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are energy giving force. We eat that food that is rich in carbohydrates, like we should eat rice, wheat. Here is the example. But what do these carbohydrates do? These give us energy. For what? To do our physical work means जो हम काम करते हैं ना, बाहर ऑफिस में काम करते हैं या घर में काम करते हैं, whatever we do outside, that's called physical work, and these carbohydrates help in doing that work. Then is proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are called bodybuilding force. These help in growth, repair and maintenance of our body. ये हमारी बॉडी में ग्रोथ में हेल्प करते हैं, रिपेयर करने में मतलब मसल्स को, और हमारी बॉडी को मेंटेन रखने में हेल्प करती है. These also proteins, what does they do? They help in strengthening bones and muscles. For what? For proteins we should eat meat, fish, chicken, cheese, pulses, milk. These all are the sources of proteins. इनमें proteins present होते हैं. Okay. Then is fats. What are fats? Fats are also energy giving foods, but there is one thing that they give us more energy than carbohydrates, but we should consume less fats. Why we should consume less fats? Because fats जो होते हैं that will make us overweight. उससे हमारी बॉडी जो है वो ओवरवेट हो सकती है, and will lead to a disease that's called obesity. उससे हमारी बॉडी में ओबेसिटी हो जाएगी, वेट गेन हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई वी शुड eat what? Less fats. And when we consume more fats, what the benefit of these fats is that when we consume more fats, some fat gets stored in our body. And whenever we do not get the enough food, that fat is used at that time. आपको पता है जब हम फैट्स कंज्यूम करते हैं ज़्यादा, तो जो आधा फैट जो होता है वो यूज़ नहीं होता है, दैट रिमेन स्टोर. वो हमारी बॉडी में स्टोर रह जाता है, बचा के रहता है. उसके बाद जब हमें फूड अच्छी तरीके से प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिलता है, उस टाइम वो फैट यूज़ हो जाता है. ओके. So what does this fat also do? This helps in keeping our body warm and helps in keeping skin smooth. When we consume the fat, the one more importance is that fats help in keeping our body warm and keeping the skin smooth. So what things we should eat to get the fat? We should eat butter, ghee, oil, nuts and creams. These all are the fat rich sources. Now is the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are those nutrients that help our body to fight from diseases. ये हमें हेल्प करते हैं किस में, डिजीज से फाइट करने में. whenever we have any disease, this helps in fighting with that disease. okay, it also protects our body from diseases. ये हमारी बॉडी को डिजीज से बचाते हैं. like we should eat vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs and fish. These are the sources of vitamins and minerals. You know, I will tell you one thing here, that milk is the complete food. Why milk is called complete food? Because milk contains all the nutrients. मीन्स मिल्क में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी है, प्रोटीन्स भी है, फैट्स भी है, वाइटामिन है, मिनरल्स है. ओके, दिस कंटेन ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. दैट्स व्हाई मिल्क इज कॉल्ड द कंप्लीट फूड. So this was about the health and the important functions and important essential nutrients and their functions. So hope you got it. Fi amanillah. Take care.